In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Chamet app. So if you're having any issue with your Chamet app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem and get your app running without any problem. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page in our first method to troubleshoot it. For that, I'll just go to settings, and then here's my settings. And then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Tap on it and you'll see various settings or various options under apps. Now look for this option called manage apps or any other related phrase. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Go ahead and tap on manage apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. And here you can see my Chamet app is here. You can also search for your app using the search function here. Go ahead and tap on it to open the app information page here, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if you can't get to this page, maybe you can't find it, then let me show you a shortcut method to use. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you find it, just go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see we have these three options: share, app info, and add install. Go ahead and tap on app info, and it will take you again to the same app information page. Now here we want to go ahead and clear the app data, and more especially cache data, and we can do it using this function. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data on this app. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally collects whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is, the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, go ahead and choose this option called clear data, and then choose the second option, clear cache. And then if I click on OK, you can see the cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app and see if the problem has gone away. So if this has solved your problem, well and good. However, if you still experience any problem, then you might want to proceed and clear all data by choosing clear all data, still again on this app info page. So if I go ahead and tap on clear data, this time round, I'll choose the first option, clear all data, and then OK. And then at this point, go ahead and log in afresh to start using your app. However, should you still find any challenge with your app, then you might want to take the third and the last step, that is to look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For that, I'll go to Google Play Store. And then here, go ahead and search for your app. At this point, go ahead and look for any update if it is available. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have an outdated version of Chamet app. Go ahead and download the latest version by typing on update, and this will download the latest version of Chamet app and then install it on your smartphone. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on open to start using the latest version of this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.